what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed,
Okay, so we're wrapping up the end of the video the last couple of minutes here, and I just wanted to kind of walk through what this job was like. So first of all, these customers, huge shout out, big thanks for letting us film and be a part of a fun day of milling. They were awesome to work with, fellow veterans like myself, so that was really cool. Swap some stories. Um, so here's my dad and I. We're basically kind of milling up the last log and just kind of always running into some trouble with like the the edge of the roller kind of running into the end of the log there. So I got to push it over with a little extra stick there to clear the saw guards. So that was a bit of a hassle, um, but we're making through. We're just going through 1 inch cuts at a time, and um, just kind of finishing up the job there. So worked out really well. The day went really smooth. About good 4 hours of work, 2 blades, all black walnut. Oh, I forgot this was our last one here. I think it was actually. And this black walnut, it's so hard. It rips the blade pretty good. Just trying to find how to lay this log flat here, and finally got her figured out. Um, Working out some kinks with the new Norwood HD38. After selling the old one last year, we just some quirky things to work out with this mill, but so far so good. It's been the new engine is a huge upgrade from last year, much more powerful, which has been fantastic. Makes life a lot easier with that extra power on the engine. So here we're just trying to get her flat, some 1 inch cuts again. We're gonna flip her over here in a minute. Now that we got a good flat surface, and we'll just cut straight down from the bottom. Working out the kind of Y's at the front there near the saw head. Kind of work that out, put a couple of spacers in there on the edge, and then worked out real smooth. So this customer's out in Minnetonka, and so not too far of a drive from Chaska. Beautiful wooded area, back house lot. Some deer were roaming through, which is fun. So a lot of 1 inch cuts today, a couple of 2 or 3 inch cuts just for some extra projects or whatever was left. We ran into a problem with a rubber part that keeps the blade guards on was running into part of the one of the legs, and so the lowest cut we could do was about 1.5 inches, which is kind of frustrating. But just gonna close her up here. It was a great video, great day of milling, and stay tuned for more awesome Minnesota milling videos in the future. We love having you guys like and subscribe and share with your friends so we can keep it rolling. Thanks, guys.